Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change a YouTube video's language back to English using your Windows PC. First, open the video on youtube.com and click the settings icon on the player. Next, if the video has multiple audio tracks, choose audio and select English. If there is no audio option, choose Subtitles/CC instead. Then, if English subtitles aren't listed, click Auto Translate or scroll through the language list and pick English. Finally, close the menu and refresh the video if needed. The audio or subtitle should now play in English. If the video still isn't in English, try a different browser or check the uploader's language settings. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.